Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying power basics because most failures are simple. Plug a known good charger into the Chromebook and a wall outlet that works. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown. Release, wait 2 seconds, then press briefly to attempt a normal boot. If nothing happens, inspect the USB-C or barrel port for debris or loose pins. Damage there prevents charging. Once done, try a different cable and brick to rule out adapter failure. Next, you perform deeper resets because internal controllers can lock up. Press and hold refresh plus power for 10 to 15 seconds to trigger a hardware reset. If your model has a removable battery, disconnect it, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect. This clears residual charge and resets power circuits. While attempting to boot, watch for subtle signs. LED blink patterns, fan spin, or a faint backlight. These clues tell you whether the system is alive, and whether if resets fail, you move to recovery because software corruption or firmware issues can block startup. On another computer, use the Chromebook recovery utility to create a USB recovery stick, then boot the Chromebook into recovery mode with ESC plus refresh plus power and insert the media. The process will attempt OS reinstall. If there's no response, make sure to note serial and symptom details, then contact authorized service. This typically means a failed DC in jack, battery, or motherboard fault requiring professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.